Hey everyone, this is Bradley from My Memories, and today I'm going to show you how to upload and order your own photo book in My Memories suite. So the first thing you need to do is design your photo book. The way I recommend doing this is by going to Design and then clicking Photo Books. If you want to order a photo book, then the supported sizes are 12 by 12, 11 by 8.5, 8.5 by 11, and 8 by 8 inches. I've already created my photo book beforehand, so I'm just going to load that up real quick. Okay, so here's my album. So once you've made your album, the first thing I recommend doing is going to the Album tab on the right side of the screen and then clicking View, and then choose Print Quality and OK. This is going to let us preview our album in high resolution, so we can see what it will look like when it's printed. Okay, so here we've got my album preview. You can scroll left and right by using these arrows at the bottom. And you'll notice that there's this darkened area around the border. This is called the trim area. Basically, if something's in the trim area, like a photo or a shape or some text, um, it's at risk of getting cut off in the physical photo book. So make sure that you don't have anything that's in the trim area aside from the background. Like say we've got this green part right here of the background, that's fine. But like if this photo was in the trim area, then we'd want to move it closer towards the center. Anyway, everything looks good, so I'm just going to click OK. Keep in mind that the first page in your album is going to be the front cover. Like you can see right here, it says front. And then by the same token, the last page is going to be your back cover of the photo book. So make sure those look how you want them to be. So I think we're about ready to upload the photo book. So first you want to make sure that your album has at least 26 pages. And when it does, go to the Share tab on the right side of the screen and then click Book. If the book icon is not lit up, then it probably means that your album is not in a supported size. But we can easily fix that if you go to the Album tab at the top of the screen and then click Change Size. Then from here, you can click Photo Books and then choose 12 by 12, 11 by 8.5, 8.5 by 11, or 8 by 8, like I said at the beginning of the video. Anyway, my album's already in a good size, so we don't need to change it. So again, go to the Share tab and click Book. And then here you can click this button to preview it. But I already did that, so I'm not going to go through that again. But we can add some spine text to our album now. So my album is called Simple Moments. You can also disable the text if you don't want that. So spine color, let's choose, how about this turquoise color? Okay, and then you can also choose if you want black text or white text. I'm going to go with the white text because it's a little more visible on this color. And you'll also notice that the spine text doesn't look like it's centered here, but in the physical book it will be centered. This is just a placeholder. We've also had some people ask if spine text is supported on both hardcover and softcover books, and I can confirm that it is. Anyways, if you want to include or exclude a specific page, you can go to this Adjust button, and then you can click a checkbox to disable that page from appearing in the export. So if I didn't want page 7 here, then I could just disable it. But I want all my pages, so I'm just going to cancel out. You can also change the save location. The default location will be to your desktop, and I'm fine with that, so I'm just going to click this orange upload button. This next part might take some time, so I'll just skip ahead to when it's done. Eventually, your browser window will open up with this page, and this again will take some time, so I'll just skip ahead to when it's finished. Alright, so it looks like my photo book is done uploading. So let's click this blue Continue button. Here you'll be given one final chance to preview. I definitely recommend looking through it because this is the last chance you'll have to look through your album. Okay, you can again click these arrows to turn the pages. Everything looks good. There's some info down here that you should read, and once you've done that, check this box, and then click this blue Continue button. We've already chosen our options for the spine, so let's go ahead and do the cover. You can choose softbound or hardbound. And then cover finish, you can choose matte or gloss. I'll go with matte. In this field, you can type in how many books you want to order, and then click Add to Cart. Okay. Here you'll be given one last chance to review your order. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click this checkout button. If you've ordered a photo book from us before, then you can use your existing address. Otherwise, click I want to use a new address, and then fill in your information. But I'll just go ahead and use the existing address that we have. Same sort of thing here. You can use your existing address, or you can type in a new one, and then click this blue continue button. Looks like there's only one delivery method, so let's just click continue. For the payment method, you can use a credit or debit card or use PayPal. We'll just use a credit card. Here's your final chance to review the order, so make sure everything looks good. And then the last thing you need to do is fill in the credit card information and then click confirm order. And that should be about it. Thank you for watching.